By its very nature, every quality management system has two user groups. Upstream users, who are the quality professionals in your organization, familiar with the full scope of QMS activities, their interconnectedness with each other, and how they address the various ISO or FDA requirements. They are also responsible for the setup, administration, and the creation of workflows in various areas of your quality and material management systems. On the other hand, downstream users simply need access for specific, more focused activities, such as document approval, reading procedures they need to follow, signing off on training records, completing quizzes, or entering new CAPAs or deviations. This group needs a very simple to understand, quick to implement, clean user interface. Total Lean Management Software, or TLM, is the first QMS software to not only recognize this fact, but also the first to dedicate separate applications for each user group in order to more effectively address the unique needs of each group. The TLM web app takes care of your downstream users, as their priority is an easy-to-learn, simple, mobile-friendly web interface with bulletproof workflows to easily get their tasks completed from any browser or mobile device. When just getting started, a single Upstream license will allow unlimited downstream web app users who can start releasing documents as the web app has full document control capability. Another TLM advantage over standalone document control systems is that you will be releasing documents in a complete quality system, already connected to and capable of supporting all the other QMS workflows that will eventually need to be audited. This setting in the web app ensures downstream users will always see a smooth introduction to basic tasks that harness the work of your upstream users, which ultimately makes your QMS more effective, faster to implement, and easier to audit. Another significant advantage the unlimited web app licensing offers is that only your upstream users will require a full license for the main TLM application, making TLM both one of the most capable systems as one of the most affordable. The main TLM application addresses the needs of your upstream users, as their priority is to have access to all the easy buttons in every module to quickly take care of a whole host of administration, setup, configuration, and initial data entry tasks. The main TLM application has every feature and can quickly respond to unforeseen needs as your QMS evolves, as our development teams can provide rapid updates to support both normal support activities for existing features as well as custom development projects as an added insurance policy so that by choosing TLM, you just can't go wrong. TLM can be deployed in the cloud or on your network, and the material management modules can provide standalone ERP capability with integration to your accounting or integration with ERP systems that have accounting already built in. Whatever the circumstances, TLM and our technical support staff can help you establish an efficient and integrated digital landscape built around your QMS that minimizes the compromises and workarounds that are sometimes necessary with strictly cloud-based systems that typically are not all that flexible and force both user groups into the same application. We understand that some might initially view the UI for the main TLM application as somewhat dated, and perhaps compared to the TLM companion web app, a Beauty and the Beast comparison would be appropriate. However, once your upstream users discover what the Beast has under the hood and all the cool tricks it can do that a web interface can't, and are continually surprised by capability they didn't realize they needed, we are confident their affection for the main app will grow to match what current TLM upstream users are more than happy to attest to. All 30 modules of TLM have their own module page on our website and videos to help you learn more. And be sure to stop by our testimonial page, as you can hear from actual TLM users what it's like to be part of the TLM family. Although the best way to find out if TLM is a good fit is to click on the green Demo tab and put yourself on our demo calendar so that we can learn about your specific needs and show you how TLM can handle those as well. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.